Hi, this is Kainaz and you're watching me on filmsofindia.com.
Young, spirited and a delight on the silver screen, Kainaz Motiwala is slowly but surely making her mark on the silver screen. Hi Kainaz, welcome to Films of India.
Thank you.
Now from Tanya in Wake Up Sid to Tanya in Chalo Driver, how's the journey been?
It's been great. I've only worked with the best and I've been really privileged to have learned so much on the way, from playing a very small character in Wake Up Sid to playing a character around which a film revolves. I think I'm truly blessed.
So you were a journalist for a short while.
Yes.
So how did you get your big break? Like what happened?
I was working for this beauty magazine and I was coordinating a makeover shoot when one of the ADs from my first film, Pathshala, saw me there. And it, as cliche and as fairy tale like as it sounds, that's what happened. She said, there's this film with Shahid Kapoor, so why don't you come and audition? And I said, oh, in my head I thought Shahid will be at the audition, so I said, what the hell, I'll just go and give the audition. Of course Shahid wasn't there, but I gave the audition and I got the part, so I've never looked
The rest
back.
is history.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, Chalo Driver, we loved the trailer. So tell us something about it, your role in it.
I'm playing this girl from Delhi who's very spirited, very intelligent, very smart. I think the only drawback is that she's extremely impulsive. She's constantly looking for excitement, and since she's not found a job that kind of holds her attention, she's been quitting jobs like every 2 weeks. So this friend of hers says, you know, if you're looking for such a challenging job, why don't you become somebody's chauffeur? And she takes it up as a challenge and she's like, you know what, I'll show you that I can do this. And she thinks, हाँ ठीक है मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ. And she goes and she becomes a chauffeur just on a whim. And what happens to her after that, because of the way people react to the fact that she's doing something so unusual, and the fact that the guy she's working for is this complete nut job and he's constantly getting on her nerves, you know. So what happens to her and how she changes and how she brings about a change in him is what the story is.
Seems like most of the movie is centered around you, your character. So were you under pressure while you were doing it? Did you feel like you were
No,
like,
because I think coming from a film like Ragini MMS, where for a big part of the film I was actually the only person on screen. At least that's not happening here. So no, not so much.
Not so much. And you have been a journalist, you are a writer, and you are also an actress. By most standards, that's unconventional. But have you done anything really? Would you do any other out-of-the-box professions?
I think I'm done now. Like, I'm very happy being an actor, so I think this is it for me. Yeah.
So your chemistry with Vikrant Mahajan, you know, your director and your co-star in the film, how was it?
See, through most of the film, we are playing characters which are like chalk and cheese, completely different from one another. And they both have a certain motivation behind doing what they're doing. So they're both trying to irk each other and, you know, play mind games with each other and stuff. So it's a really interesting sort of equation.
So did you all have that kind of friendship off screen as well, where
Yes,
maybe you all play jokes?
I think much before the film started shooting, as in obviously not prior to the film, only in relation to the film. But yeah, he's a really interesting person. He's done so much, you know, on his own, and he's done so many different things that there was a lot to learn from him.
And who is the real Kainaz Motiwala? I mean, you know, I'm sure our viewers would like to know, like, who
I
is the
think
real?
there's a little bit of me in every character that I've played. I think I'm a little like Tanya from Wake Up Sid. I'm a lot like Tanya in Chalo Driver. I'm also a little bit of Ragini.
Oh, okay, what bit of Ragini? You've got to complete.
The fact that I'm a very caring and emotional person, I think Ragini was also like that, which is why she got into the trouble that she got into. So that's a little like me. As far as this character is concerned, the fact that even I need to be excited about what I'm doing is something that I totally connect with Tanya, because I love writing, but being a journalist and having to write on a deadline was something that I didn't enjoy.
Okay.
So I think just like her, I think even I was looking for that one thing that makes me tick, you know. So I think there's a little bit of me in every character.
And there have been a lot of different movies lately, like, you know, Kahani, Gangs of Wasipur,
Yeah,
and The
Vicky
Dirty
Donor.
Picture, Vicky Donor. Would you have liked to play a role in any one of those films, and which one?
Actually, I should tell you this. They were auditioning for Vicky Donor, and I was there for another film audition. And I read the scene for Vicky Donor, and I said, "What is this film I need to audition?" And the casting director said, "No, they're looking for a Bengali girl, and you don't look Bengali." I said, "It's okay. Don't show my audition to the director, but I have to do this scene because it's so much fun. So just let me audition." And I just auditioned for
Oh,
the
great.
fun of it. So I would have loved to do that film. I thought it was so much fun.
And any bit of advice? You know, there are a lot of girls here who would love to be in your shoes and be where you are. Any bit of advice for them, how they can go
I
about it?
think the only thing you have to do is persevere, because there's so much rejection that you face in this industry, especially if you come from a non-filmy background. There'll be people ready to put you down like in a matter of a second. You make one move and
Everyone's
there'll
watching.
be people pouncing on you, waiting for you to just fall. And you have to be strong enough to and believe in yourself and believe in your dream and just keep pushing and just like almost have blinkers on and not listen to anything anybody else says, but just listen to yourself and keep telling yourself, you know what, this is what I want to do and I'm going to do it.
Wow, great advice, girls. Hope you were listening. Thank you so much for being with us. We wish you and the rest of the cast and crew a very, very successful movie.
Thank you.
very much.
20th July, go and watch Chalo Driver.